Hi, and welcome to our Snow Week What's the Buzz with Miss Hardy and Miss Arugio. In this abbreviated week, I've had to condense some things and make sure that everything fits. And we are under a time crunch, but we will still make sure that we have quality buzzing instruction this week in the Hive. So let's see what's going on this week. The important dates haven't changed. We still have our December 21st early release, and we still have our winter break, and our exam schedules has stayed the same. The common lits that are first were the common lits for this week, but I've already pulled all of them. So let's take those off. And so our common lits for next week are Monday. It doesn't matter if schools are racially integrated. And I Too, a poem by Langston Hughes. Don't forget your Khan Academy syntax lessons are due December the 21st. And we just started A Raisin in the Sun. We have finished up Act 1, Scene 1, and we are hoping to push that along. Notice I did not put which acts we're doing because we're going to our goal is to get it done by Friday. There are only 3 acts, and I think we can get it done by Friday. So I will update the What's the Buzz for next week based on what we have. The other thing is we did our NCFE online tutorial today. So if your student was not in school today, please make sure that they see me before Friday to get this NCFE tutorial done. Just want to give you a quick update. Let's do fourth block because we always do first and second. If you look in Google Classroom, the Raisin in the Sun assignments, you have a copy of the comprehension questions that everybody got today that are due on Monday, December the 17th. You have a complete text of A Raisin in the Sun. We don't have enough books for everybody to take one home, unfortunately, but I have put a complete copy of the text on Google Classroom. We are listening to the audio book and stopping and having discussion. So the copy of that is in Google Classroom, and copies of quizzes that can be used to gauge comprehension of the text as we move along. So just keep that in mind. So that is on Google Classroom. I'm hoping that we are going to recover academically and physically from these 2.5 days off. It was so good to see my babies today. We missed them terribly, terribly. We had a nice crowd for Wonder Wednesday today. Very excited, very excited. And we will have our last Wonder Wednesday of 2018 next week. I look forward to seeing everybody. Enjoy your Thursday and Friday, and I can't wait to see my babies buzzing in the morning. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.